Welcome to Physics 11. This is a short tutorial on what you need to do for the orientation assignment. Once you've logged in, you'll come to a page that's similar to this, and then you'll need to scroll down and find the orientation class, and you're doing 2009 right here. So you're looking for Physics 11 orientation, and while we're on this page, once you get into this class, what you'll notice is you need to come down here to Vancouver Learning Network year 2009, then you'll see Physics 11. But we need to go do the orientation first. And so once you get into the orientation, here's our news page. There are two things you need to do before you get into the class. The first one is the quiz, which I'll show you in a second. And then you need to, you need to complete a mind map for Unit 1. And so the quiz you'll find right here. Click on quiz, then orientation, and then continue with the quiz. Now let's go back. What you need to do here is you need to download, to make a mind map, you need to go to SourceForge and download it from there. So let it load up. And then scroll down, and depending on what type of computer you have, if you have a Windows computer, you will download this. If you got a Mac, you have this. And then you got the other one's Linux. So you've done that, you've installed it, and then what you need to do is make a mind map for Unit 1, and you'll find Unit 1 under Content, and here, what is physics? If you click on that, we'll scroll up, there's going to be a short little video, shows what physics is, a couple of them, a little written description, then it goes into scientific notation, and significant figures. So those, what you need to do is watch the videos, and then you're going to create a mind map. So what we need to do is go back and open up mind map, which I already have opened here. And so in the middle, I'm going to go physics skills, and then the first tab inside of the course is what is physics. And so in my right here, I got physics, and basically it's how things work. And the second link inside of the content, scientific notation, basically that's large and small numbers, and you might want to give it an example and from there. So the next tab is significant digits. And so you can just copy that, and so I would just put on there, and then you got the little light bulb here, and then we just put down sig figs. And then we'd go to the page there, and then you'd find out what sig figs are, and then you would type it in there inside of the mind map. Okay, and so it's going to get bigger and bigger, and you need to do that for Unit 1. There's a lot of other tools involved with this, but that's not the idea here. And then the next thing you need to do, so then you're going to submit it into the Dropbox. You go to the Dropbox, Unit 1 mind map. You'll save the file, and then add file right here, and then you can submit it. And then the next thing you need to do, so once you submit that, done the quiz, I will get you into the class, but that'll take about 24 hours. In the meantime, what you can do is this PDF, I'm not going to show it right now, but you download this and then do the questions from that PDF file. What else? And if you need more help with the mind map, here's a tutorial that I found on YouTube. If you have any questions, give me an email. And how do you get into my email? Click on class list, teacher, and then select the teacher. I'm the only teacher there, and then the email icon, and then the email pops up. Best thing to do is put in the subject, mind map, and then when you're typing in your question here, put in your name. And I would like you to type in your phone number each time, okay? And one way, I can show you later how to set that up so you don't have to type it in every time, and just hit send. Okay, plus whatever the question is. All right, and that should be it. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact me. Thank you.